Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a review on the Suede Face and Body Bronzing Balm. The main reason I'm doing this video is because when I first wanted to buy this, I looked up some YouTube reviews because I wanted to see what people thought of it and stuff like that, and there was really nothing on it. So I gave in and I bought it because I was like, you know, it's a product that I wanted to try it for a while and they finally came back in colors that I wanted. So I decided to just purchase it and then see how I liked it myself. And since there were no reviews on YouTube, I wanted to make a review myself so that I could help other people and help them decide if they want to spend the money on this. So if you want to see this in action and you're thinking about buying this too, then keep on watching. Okay, so like I said, I'm doing a review on this Suede Body product. It is called the Face and Body Bronzing Balm, and I got mine in the shade Dark. So this is Colourpop's sister brand that focuses more on like body stuff, so like highlights, bronzing, lotions, moisturizers, things like that. I don't have many products I don't think I have any products actually besides this one. But this is what the packaging looks like. It's really pretty. It has this pinkish color, nude color top. Then this is what the product actually looks like. It's definitely showing up a little more orange in camera than it looks in real life. Anyways, this formula is a moussey texture, cream texture. I have swatches all over my hand, but this is what it looks like. So this product comes in 7 different shades. It goes from fair to light, and the darkest shade is deep dark. So it says you can apply this to your arms, your décolletage, I think that's over here, I don't know if I pronounced that right, and your legs or on your face as makeup. It comes with 1.1 ounces. There is quite a lot of product in here. I'm not sure if I would ever even use this much. And this is supposed to be a dupe of this product here that's way more expensive and has like the same packaging and everything. And in a way this looks kind of like the Huda Beauty Tan Tour as well. Obviously for a lot better price. This is $15, and like I said, this is quite a big package or a big amount of product because you really don't need much at all when you're using this. So I'm gonna really quickly do my eyebrows, prime my face, put my foundation on and my concealer, and then I will get back to you guys and show you guys me applying this product. Anyways, so I finished the face makeup as you can see, and I didn't set anything yet. So now we're gonna be going into the product. So I'm just gonna go into a synthetic brush, and this is the Morphe M427. It's a really nice stippling brush and it's not super dense, but it's gonna just blend out the cream product really nicely. I'm just gonna dip my product kind of like this into the balm. Then on the back of my hand, I'm gonna take a little bit of the extra product off so it's not too crazy. I'm gonna go in and kind of dab it where I want and then blend upwards. Okay, it looks way more crazy in the camera than it does in real life. Like in the real life, it doesn't look like there's even that much product, but to blend anything out that's like extra, I'm gonna just go in with my sponge and kind of just dab around. I'm just gonna blend in since we have a little bit of foundation, extra foundation on here too. So pretty. Looks like so naturally bronzed. Love that. My hair stop getting in my face. I have to bring in the headband. Here is the bronzer on my face. And I will clean this up a little bit here, but It is obviously a bronzer and not a contour, so it is warmer. But if you look at my face up close, wherever bronzer is, it looks so like natural. It doesn't look like there's any product on my face. It just like really melted into the foundation. And I don't know, it just looks so, yeah, natural and bronzy. Like, it just looks so like I'm bronzed from within, or like my skin is just bronzy. It's like very natural and I love it. Oh my god, and it blends so easily. I love this product because I think it blends so much easier than like a concealer does. It doesn't dry fast. It's like a balmy texture. So obviously it's just gonna melt into the makeup here. Oh, it's just really, it's really, really pretty. I think it is so good. And I love this color on me. I think I could make it work for like when I'm a little bit lighter or a little bit darker. So I think it's a perfect color. And this is in the shade dark. And Colourpop foundations, I'm usually medium dark, so I went like one shade darker because I didn't want it to be too light. I thought I could make it work if it was too dark. So I'm going to throw on some cream blush and I'm going to set my face. I'm also going to use powder bronzer and powder blush on top. I'll do my eye makeup and then I'll be back to let you know what my final thoughts are. Okay guys, this is the final look. First of all, I am living for this eye look. Are you kidding me? I tried to do something like a lot more like natural, well not natural but neutral I guess, because I love to play with color. So I just went into the Sweet Talk palette from Colourpop because I love peachy tones, and this is what I came up with. And oh my god, I need to wear makeup like this more often. Anyways, let's look at this bronzer. I think that the bronzer looks really good. It blended so easily into the skin. Wherever the bronzer is, it looks just really nice. Like honestly, my whole face looks freaking amazing. Just this whole skin routine was so bomb. I am so in love with this cream bronzer. My battery's gonna die. Okay, quick battery change. I'm in love with this cream bronzing balm. I think it is amazing. For $15 you get so much product. It blends out so nicely. It's so user-friendly. It is a really nice bronze color. It is a little bit, in person I feel like it looks a lot more or a lot less orange. In the camera I feel like it pulls a little bit more orange. But honestly, I think this is so worth trying out. If you are trying to get into cream bronzing, I think this is such a good product to start off. I know like a lot of people use concealers, but sometimes I feel like the concealers might be like a little bit harder to blend out. This one is so forgiving. Like I said, it's just such a creamy, good formula. I mean, I've used this a few times now and it looks like I haven't touched it at all. Like there's no way I'm ever gonna get through all of this product, so it's a really good value. There's such a good range of colors for any skin tone. Again, I'm medium dark usually in the Colourpop range, and I got the shade dark, and I think it comes in 2 darker shades, I think. Yes, it comes in deep and then deep dark after. So I feel like I could have worked with medium dark as well, but again, I always go for the darker bronzer just because I feel like so many brands come out with such light bronzers at the beginning. So I took a chance with this one and I figured I could work it out, and yeah, I think I could work with medium dark as well. But I highly suggest checking out this product. I think it's just so effortless, so beautiful, so easy, so forgiving. I am not somebody who cream bronzes very often. I just kind of started getting into it, and this is one of the easiest products I've used by far. It just blends so easily with a brush. Like you don't have to do any extra work. 10 out of 10 would recommend you to try it. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get back on a schedule so I can whip out more videos for you. If you have any suggestions for what you would like to see, please leave it down in the comments below. If there's any products or anything, I don't care, just leave it down below. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye!